Hi everyone. So today we have two teams together, Gero Wallet, represented by Adam, and Vladimir, the founder of zkFold. Hi guys. So I know that you are well known within the Cardano ecosystem, but briefly, can you introduce your teams and what exactly do you build on Cardano?
All right, so yeah, hi, I'm Adam. I'm currently leading Gero Wallet. We're a team of a couple of developers on Cardano for like 3 years now, and we have a lightweight wallet. Our mission is basically to make Web3 as accessible and secure for anyone using it. And very soon we're going to go on another chain called Apex, and later on probably to more chains. So yeah, thanks for having me.
Everyone, my name is Vladimir. Together with Stanislav, we founded zkFold 1 year ago. Right now, we are working on layer one scalability tools, mainly for Cardano. We also plan to build layer two sidechain solution later on. And in all our products, we use zero knowledge cryptography.
Guess that you guys know quite well the pain points of users which they currently face. Can you share a bit more details about the limitations of the current wallet functionality which triggered your proposals?
Sure. So the first proposal we have is basically adding a subscription service to Cardano. Now I know there were a couple of attempts to accomplish something like that. The main difference with this proposal specifically is to also have a functionality to have it built into a wallet. What this can grant is, if anyone doesn't know, then with Cardano, any transaction has to go through a sign, basically, process of the user. So the user must sign a transaction for it to go through. And with a subscription model, let's say I want to subscribe to something for a year on a monthly basis, getting paid. There's no way to really create 12 transactions in advance where the user can create them, sign them rather. We want to provide basically the ability using a smart contract to have the users give them the ability to allow the wallet to make these kinds of transactions on their behalf while staking that same amount of money. So at any point in time, they can take it out if they want to cancel the subscription, but making the convenience of a subscription service where the user doesn't need to do anything but to subscribe once, essentially very similar to how it is in Web 2, but to translate that kind of experience and convenience to Web 3.
So our proposal is called Smart Contract Wallet Backend, and what we are trying to do with it is to make it easier for new users to experience Web3. And we have a set of features that we plan to implement as a part of this proposal. Most importantly, ZK login feature, which allows users to use their Web2 credentials to access their wallet instead of a seed phrase, and as well as sponsored transactions and Babel fees. Later on, we plan to extend the set of features that will be available to this smart contract wallet. And this smart contract wallet backend will be available for all wallets to use.
Looks like that you are bringing in a lot of new functionalities and features to Cardano ecosystem. And can you guide us through what kind of impact on the Cardano ecosystem do you guys see? How will users and developers benefit from these improvements?
With a seamless subscription model, we basically want to enhance Cardano's economic activity, right? So we see that it will increase the adoption, basically using subscriptions, enabling this kind of model on Cardano. It will allow service providers and others to essentially expand their customer base. And I think allowing users to purchase and interact with both services and the chain basically as conveniently as possible, right? Taking down all of what we grow to already get used to as people that are using Cardano for quite a while, and even probably other chains quite a while. I think a lot of users are already used to the fact that it comes with some friction. We want to kind of take that friction away. We also had a previous proposal called Cardano Shield that interacts and allows users to take more educated, basically, decisions based on the risk of the transaction. And now this is another layer, essentially, of allowing users to interact with service providers. So it will allow both the users and the service providers to eliminate some sort of friction when it comes to purchasing services. And it will also be open source, and any wallet will be able to use it. It's not something that is unique to Gero, but we are very fond of the idea of basically kickstarting these kind of processes and having that impact, anyone on the chain.
Yes, for us, I think the key impact that we are seeking is to bring new users to Cardano blockchain with this proposal. As we expand the, let's say, simplicity of interaction with Web3. Also, we think that this proposal will help people to understand how our zkFold symbolic framework works, because this will give a good example of real application that can be built with zkFold symbolic. Yeah, and we also hope that because the feature set of this smart contract wallet backend will be extendable, and people from the ecosystem will contribute to this software piece later on, and we could have the best possible smart contract wallet in the space.
And are there any upcoming milestones or key dates which you can share with us?
I think we will probably work on this idea regardless of the proposal. I suspect that from next month, we have some major milestones in general for Gero Wallet next month, with a new blockchain that we're launching on, and the staking program. So there's a couple of things that we'll probably launch next month, and I think we will start working on these proposals probably from late July. We will probably require the funding of the solution basically to handle anything related to the smart contracts. The smart contract will be the most complex thing of this idea. So yeah, so as long as we get the proposal, we'll be able to more easily find expertise and people that will be able to join the team officially and work on this idea. But other than that, we haven't started working on the proposal itself, since we have some other things in our roadmap. But yeah, that's kind of the timeline.
I think for us the situation is quite similar. The construction of this smart contract wallet backend is quite time-consuming task, so we will rely on funding to get it done. However, in the meantime, we are completing milestones on the zkFold symbolic product, and the goal is to launch the first version in July, and then the full version will be available probably in August. So we will be well prepared to start the work on this proposal, the smart contract wallet backend, immediately as we know the results of the voting.
Sounds interesting, guys. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you for joining the call, and we will share links to the proposals down below. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.